My name is Mario Treichl, and I am one of two managing directors at MW Treichl in Wörgl. We've been managing this company since 2021.
Das Geschäftsmodell.
Our company specializes in transloading goods from trains to trucks. After our customers' goods arrive at our transloading facility by train, we transfer them onto trucks for the last-mile delivery to the customer.
Das Warenspektrum bei uns.
There are various goods that move through our warehouse, ranging from individual production components and spare parts to groceries and canned goods.
Wir haben uns für dieses Regal bedient geredet.
We chose this stacker crane because it met many of our essential selection criteria. We've been able to significantly reduce energy costs and save on maintenance compared to other stacker cranes because the parts are screwed together and not welded.
Schraubt und nicht verschweißt sind. Somit muss nur noch diese Komponente ausgetauscht werden.
That means we only have to replace parts that are damaged or really need to be changed, allowing us to use considerably fewer parts and, of course, save costs.
Ich würde die Partnerschaft.
I would say that our partnership is characterized by open communication because we are constantly in touch.